So, you connect to the OpenAI or Anthropic API, write a few lines of Python, and suddenly you have a demo that looks amazing. But when it is time to go to production, you realize that the model API call is only about 2% of the system that you actually need to build.
The other 98% is the infrastructure iceberg. Conversation memory, retrieval over your own data, safety controls, tool integration, cost management, observability. Whether you're a solo developer or part of a large team, you end up rebuilding these same pieces over and over.
We have been through that pain ourselves, and we wrote the book so that you don't have to. We walk you through designing and building a complete AI platform from scratch with working Python code in every chapter.
You will build a model service that lets you swap providers without rewriting your app, a session service that gives you AI memory across conversations, and a data service that grounds responses in your own documents through retrieval and semantic search.
You will also build a tool service for connecting to external systems, a guardrail service for enforcing safety at the platform level, and a workflow service for orchestrating multi-step AI processes. Plus, we cover the operational side, observability, cost tracking, and evaluation.
If you are ready to move past the demo stage and start building AI systems that are truly production ready, pick up the book at manning.com. Come say hi on the live book page or find us on LinkedIn or X. We would love to hear what you are building. Thanks for watching.